Let's discuss why management reports matter. Comprehensive insights combine financial statements into one report for a full overview of business health. Customization tailor reports to focus on critical metrics like cash flow, expenses, and profitability. Better decision making provides detailed insights that guide strategic business decisions. Professional presentations generate polished reports to share with clients, investors, or internal teams. To access management reports, start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the left hand menu, click Reports. Scroll to the Management Report section to find pre-built templates. Choose a template like Company Overview or Sales Performance and customize it to your needs. You can modify the selected template to fit your business requirements. Then define what appears on the cover page. You can change the cover title, subtitle, reporting period, date of preparation, author, and disclaimer if any. Let's add the title Q3 Financial Overview, which stands for Quarter 3 Financial Overview. QBO gives a live preview as you edit the report. Let's navigate through all the components of the report from the side panel. For instance, in this report, we have a table of contents showing which sub-reports are added in this report. Next are the preliminary pages. Here you can add a foreword or a message from the CEO. You may also hide this page by clicking on the eye icon. The report and chart section includes the reports which have been inserted into the main body of the management report. You can alter the flow of the report by dragging and dropping sections in a logical order. You can also add new sub-reports or remove the ones not needed. Next are the endnotes. You can add key terminology in this section or hide it if not needed. Click Preview to ensure the report meets your expectations. Once the report is complete, click Save. If you would like to create a management report on your own, click here. Follow the same steps for editing the report layout. Click Save once done. Now you can share it with the stakeholders. To share a management report, export the report by downloading it in a PDF format for easy sharing or printing. You can also send it directly from QuickBooks by selecting email, entering recipients, and adding a subject and message. Lastly, for meetings or presentations, you have the option to print the report as well.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.